Outfit layering with a skirt and leather ankle boots. For a base layer, choose a thin turtleneck and a maxi skirt. Try monochromatic layers for an on-trend look. Then layer additional pieces on top, such as a white short to add contrast. Opt for an oversized or looser fitting short to avoid any lumping and fabric gathering underneath. If you like patterns, then opt for some classic ones such as thin stripes to achieve a sleek and modern vibe. Next, accessories are key, so make sure to add a belt to complete your outfit. I'm wearing a black belt here for a chic and easy look, which perfectly matches my black leather-heeled ankle boots you saw at the beginning. And of course, add a chic clutch bag for a touch of glam, perfect for an evening dinner or a date. This chic outfit with a skirt would be great for an event or an evening look. For work, swap a skirt for a pair of pants and your clutch for an everyday work tote bag, and you're ready to go.